This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Higgins, broker associate. Amazing lakefront home has an open and spacious floor plan of 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and den/study. The great room features triple sliding glass doors that lead to your oversized lake lot backyard oasis. The gourmet kitchen is finished with 42 wood cabinet complemented by quartz countertops, stainless appliances and oversized center island with breakfast bar and separate dining area. Master suite features an oversized walk-in closet, dual sinks, quartz counters and glass enclosed shower. This nearly new home has been finished with many custom upgrades throughout, including 10-feet ceilings, 8 doors, 5 baseboards, wood-look porcelain tile and a 3-car tandem garage for a 3rd car or for extra storage. Compass Landing is a gated community located in North Naples, minutes to I-75, Mercato, beaches, located near both Publix and thenew Founders Square restaurants and more, plus zoned with a rated Collier County public schools. Residents enjoy a 2,600 square feet amenity center, resort-style pool, clubhouse, tot-lot and fitness center, low HOA fees. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Higgins, broker associate at 239-860-1585.